If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Windows computer, keep watching. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. A few different things can cause this, so we'll run through the fixes one by one, starting with the most likely. The first thing we need to do is open Device Manager, search Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and double-click your Wi-Fi adapter. Head over to Power Management in the top right, and to uncheck, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then select OK. If you don't have a power management tab, just move on to the next fix. That solves this problem in most cases, but if your Wi-Fi still isn't working, then we'll try the next fix. The next thing we're going to do is restart your router. Leave it powered off for about a minute, then turn it back on, and wait until all of the normal lights come back. Once you've done that, head down to your Wi-Fi settings, right-click, Network and Internet Settings, Wi-Fi, Manage Known Networks, and forget the network you're connected to, and reconnect using your Wi-Fi password. If it still keeps disconnecting, then we'll move on. Another common reason this happens is a buggy wireless driver. Open Device Manager again, expand Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers first. If Windows says you're already using the latest driver, you can download the latest driver from your adapter manufacturer's official website instead. I'll include a link in the description. If the disconnects only started after a recent driver update, use rollback driver instead if that option is available. Restart your computer once you've finished. If it's still not working, then we'll reset Windows network settings. So the next thing we need to do is open Settings. On the left, click Network and Internet, then scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. And at the bottom, select Network Reset. Choose Reset Now and confirm the prompt. Your computer will restart automatically once the reset is complete. Keep in mind, this removes your saved Wi-Fi networks, so you'll need to reconnect afterward. If your Wi-Fi still isn't staying connected, then we'll try one more software fix. The last thing we're going to do is disable IPv6. Go to Search and type View Network Connections. Open your Wi-Fi adapter's properties by right-clicking, Properties, and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Then press OK. This can fix compatibility problems with certain routers and internet providers. If it doesn't make any difference, you can always turn it back on later. If your Wi-Fi still keeps disconnecting after all of these fixes, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or testing another wireless adapter. If every device in your home is disconnecting from the same network, the issue is most likely with your router or your internet connection rather than your Windows computer. You now know how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting on Windows. Your Wi-Fi connection should now stay connected normally.